Another tool we have to measure inequality is related to the Lorenz curve, but we just basically give it a number. So what we can use is something called the Gini ratio, and it's measuring income inequality by looking at, okay, here we have our line of equality, and here's our Lorenz curve. So we're looking at the ratio of the area here that would be in blue to the full area below that Lorenz curve, or excuse me, the line of equality. So the ratio of this to this. So the smaller the number, so the closer this Lorenz curve would be to the line of equality, the smaller that number is going to be, the more equal is the distribution of income. The larger, so the bigger this area would be in relation to the whole triangle here, then the more unequal is the distribution. So if we look at the line of equality, if that was our Lorenz curve, there is no area, so that's going to be 0 divided by this area. So if we had perfect equality, then the Gini ratio is going to be 0. So if we want to look at extreme inequality, only one person has all the income, then the Gini ratio is then going to be 1. So the whole area here would be one person getting all the income, here the same area, so the Gini ratio would be 1. Sometimes we see it as 100, like as a percentage, so it either could be 1 or 100 would be equivalent. So again, the closer the Gini ratio is to 1, the more unequal is the distribution of income. The closer to 0, the more equal is the distribution of income. So in the United States in 2016, the Gini ratio is 0.47. So if we want to look at it over time, this is what's gone on since 1966. Now, in the interim, we had a little bit of a change in how we measured it, so that's what that break is there. But as you can see, the distribution of income in the United States has become increasingly more unequal.